We've got a great project for you today. I think you're going to love it. It is an automatic chicken feeder that can feed up to 9 chickens for a week and a half straight without refilling it. If you want to see how to build it, stick with us. This project only takes about 4 pieces of this PVC sewer pipe and 1 tool to complete. If you're interested in more projects like this, head below, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We've got a lot of great information for you here on the channel that we think is helpful for anybody who's homesteading or going off-grid. Now, the 4 parts you're going to need for the project is, number 1, a 4-inch piece of sewer pipe. Sewer pipe is less expensive than regular Schedule 40 PVC. So this will work perfectly for the chicken feeder. There's no need to spend money on Schedule 40. You'll need 2 end caps and 1 slope 90-degree coupling. You can find these couplings with a smaller opening. We opted for the 4-inch opening. What we're going to do so the chickens don't throw feed out everywhere on the floor and waste feed is we've just cut this little moon-shaped piece of plastic and we're going to cement it right in place here. That gives the chicken plenty of room to get their head in without throwing the feed out everywhere. You're just going to need a couple tools for the project. It's really simple. A hacksaw, something to measure with, of course something to write with, and some PVC glue. So you're probably asking me, how do you know this holds so much? Well, we did the calculations. So let's talk about that. This is a 4-inch PVC pipe or sewer pipe, and we're going to have it 4.5 feet tall. Now, the reason we're going to do 4.5 feet tall is that's going to be a good height for us to pour into. I'm 5'10", and I don't want to haul the bag up to 6+ feet tall here to try and pour the feed in. So 4.5 feet is going to give us a great height, and that'll provide the amount that I talked about in the beginning of the video for our chickens. All right, let's talk a little calculation first. Each chicken should eat about 1/4 pound of food per day. And so 9 chickens, my chickens should eat 13.5 pounds of food in 1 week. And that equals about 2 gallons. So this 4-inch pipe at 4 foot 6 inches tall has a volume of 678 cubic inches. How did I do that? Pi r squared times h. There's a lot of calculators online. You can figure that out, but I'm telling you what this will be. So 678 cubic inches is about 2.97 gallons. That is about a week and a half's worth of food for my 9 chickens. I won't have to touch the thing for a week and a half. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to neglect my chickens. I will check on them every single day. I'm just saying, if you're going away somewhere, you've got your automatic watering system set up, hey, go check out that project that I did. And you've got this automatic chicken feeder, you will not have to worry about your chickens if you're gone for a few days or even a week. So if you want to go up to 5 feet, that's only going to give you about another ½ gallon of feed. So a bag of chick feed is 35 pounds, and that's roughly 7 gallons of feed. So if we wanted to make 2 of these at 5 feet tall, we can get 1 entire bag of feed in both of them and not have to worry about those chickens for a while. Let's build this thing really quick. It takes just a few minutes. First things first, we're going to take it to our vise. We're going to cut off a 4-inch section for the bottom portion underneath that wide coupling. So our next piece is actually going to be 3 foot 10 inches. And that is because we have the length of the coupling itself and then this piece that goes on the bottom. So that total length will be 4 foot 6. So remember, 4-inch section and a 3 foot 10 inch section. So of course, with any PVC project, we're going to just take a piece of sandpaper and deburr the edges so that we can get a smooth seal with our PVC glue. Remember that this top cap where you fill the feed in is just going to sit on there. No need to glue that. So before we assemble everything together, we're going to put in this little half-moon protector here so that our chickens don't throw the feed out all over the place. Now you want it on the bottom here so that the chickens don't throw that feed out. If you put it on the top, the feed's just going to get thrown out anyway. So make sure you have it on the bottom. This is still plenty of room for the chicken to get its head inside. Now we're also not going to glue on the bottom cap. And that is done for the simple reason is if this feeder happens to get moisture inside and that feed gets sticky and rotten and moldy, We need to get it out, and a much easier way to get it out is to be able to have both caps come off so that we can easily run something through there and get all that nasty feed out. I don't see that happening, but leave this bottom cap unglued. Well, there it is. It's that simple. This is going to hold a lot of feed for your chicks. Of course, if you have more chicks, just make a few more of these. We're just going to set it on the floor of the coop and secure it to the wall with this perforated metal strapping. So like I said, this one, 4 foot 6 inches tall, 4-inch pipe, that's going to hold 2 gallons. That's going to keep our 9 chicks fed for a week and a half. Well, there you go, another DIY homestead project we know is going to be helpful for you. Now we want you to head on over to our video page, check out all of our other homestead projects. We know there's a lot of great information there to help you out, so head on over.